Have you ever wondered why two people earning the same salary end up with totally different financial lives? One becomes wealthy, the other struggles. Is it knowledge, luck, or something hidden inside our minds? Today, we're breaking down the life-changing lessons from The Psychology of Money, a book that reveals the real secrets of wealth that schools never teach us. Money isn't just numbers, charts, or bank balances. It's behavior. It's how we think, how we react, and how we control our emotions. Morgan Housel says, "Good financial decisions have little to do with how smart you are, and a lot to do with how you behave." Let's explore the most powerful ideas from the book that can transform the way you handle money, forever. Lessons number 1. Luck and risk are twins. Two people can make the same decision, but get totally different results. Sometimes success is luck. Sometimes failure is just bad timing. Don't judge others too quickly, and don't think every win is because you're a genius. Stay humble. Lessons number 2. Never compare your journey. Everyone has different goals, responsibilities, and dreams. So comparing your money life with someone else's Instagram lifestyle is pointless. Money is personal. Your path is unique. Lessons number 3. The power of saving, even small amounts. You don't need to earn a huge salary to become wealthy. You just need to save consistently. Wealth is what you don't see. Not cars, not gadgets. It's the silent money growing quietly in your accounts. Lessons number 4. Compounding is magic. Compounding doesn't require genius. It requires patience. Warren Buffett made most of his wealth after age 60, not because he suddenly became smarter, but because compounding finally exploded. Slow and steady greater than fast and risky. Lessons number 5. Control your emotions. Fear and greed destroy more wealth than market crashes. The book reminds us, don't panic when markets fall, don't rush when markets rise, trust long-term thinking. Money doesn't respond to intelligence, it responds to discipline. The book ends with a simple truth. You don't need to be the smartest, you just need to be emotionally strong with your money. Spend less than you earn, save regularly, invest patiently, and focus on your own journey. If this summary opened your eyes, imagine what the full book can do. If you want more book summaries like this, about wealth, mindset, and success, make sure to follow the channel for more.